How many elements are listed in the modern periodic table? A 107, B 81, C 91, D 118. D 118. In which of the following states was the third edition of Khelo India University Games held? A Jharkhand, B Uttar Pradesh, C New Delhi, D Punjab. B Uttar Pradesh. Which country did India beat in the final to win the 2023 Intercontinental Cup Football Championship? A Thailand, B Lebanon, C Mongolia, D Vanuatu. B Lebanon. In which state of India is shifting cultivation known as Bringa? A Andhra Pradesh, B Manipur, C Odisha, D Madhya Pradesh. C Odisha. What does the acronym ATM stand for? A Automated Teller Machine, B Automated Transaction Management, C Account Tracking Module, D All-Time Money. A Automated Teller Machine. Who had founded the first women's university in India? A Dhondo Keshav Karve, B Ashutosh Mukherjee, C William Hunter, D Syed Ahmad Khan. A Dhondo Keshav Karve. Devendra Jhajria won which medal place in World Para Athletics Grand Prix? A bronze, B gold, C silver, D fourth. C silver. In the process of cell division, the formation of phragmoblast between the two daughter nuclei occurs during A the G0 phase, B the cytokinesis, C the S phase, D the karyokinesis. B the cytokinesis. In which type of forests are mahogany, rosewood and cinchona trees found in India? A. Tropical evergreen forests, B. Tropical deciduous forests, C. Mangrove forests, D. Montane forests. A. Tropical evergreen forests. Lebang Bhumani dance is the harvest dance of A. Mizoram, B. Tripura, C. Assam, D. Meghalaya. B. Tripura. Why is it important to distinguish between final and intermediate goods services in national income accounting? A. It helps in tracking changes in consumer preferences and market demand. B. It helps in more accurate measurement of economic growth and productivity. C. Provides insight into the distribution of income among different sectors. D. It helps in determining the overall quality of goods and services produced. B. It helps in more accurate measurement of economic growth and productivity. Which of the following is not a directive principle of state policy? A. Separation of the judiciary from executive. B. Reside in any part of India. C. Uniform civil code. D. Protection of monuments. B. Reside in any part of India. In which state is the Sanchi Stupa situated? A. Bihar, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Madhya Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Who is the nominal executive authority of India? A. Vice President, B. Attorney General, C. President, D. Prime Minister. C. President. Who among the following is the author of the book Unfinished, a Memoir? A. Alia Bhatt, B. Priyanka Chopra, C. Deepika Padukone, D. Kareena Kapoor. B. Priyanka Chopra. The South China Sea is a part of which of the following oceans? A. Arctic Ocean, B. Pacific Ocean, C. Southern Ocean, D. Indian Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. The official language of which neighboring country of India is Dhivehi? A. Maldives, B. Sri Lanka, C. Bhutan, D. China. A. Maldives. Under which scheme of Airport Authority of India did the Jammu and Kashmir Lieutenant Governor inaugurate Umeed Marketplace at Srinagar International Airport for supporting local art and artisans of self-help groups of JK Rural Livelihood Mission? A. Avsar Scheme, B. Akash Scheme, C. Akash Scheme, D. Asar Scheme. A. Avsar Scheme. Who was the Iranian ruler who attacked the city of Delhi and took away an immense amount of wealth in 1739? A. Ahmad Shah Kazar, B. Nadir Shah, C. Ahmad Shah Abdali, D. Abbas I. B. Nadir Shah. Pandit Bhimsen Joshi belonged to the Gharana. A. Banaras, B. Kirana, C. Agra, D. Delhi. B. Kirana. Mahari dance and Gotipuya dance belongs to which of the following states? A. Odisha, B. Haryana, C. Uttar Pradesh, D. Bihar. A. Odisha. Identify the wrong pair of dancer and the related dance form from the following. A. Meenakshi Chitranjan Bharatnatyam, B. Kumkumdhar Kuchipudi, C. Shruti Bandyopadhyay Manipuri, D. Trilochan Mohanta Chhav. B. Kumkumdhar Kuchipudi. Which of the following musicians is popularly known as Panchamda? A. Ravi B. Khayyam, C. Naushad, D. R. D. Burman. D. R. D. Burman. The Mukteshwar Dance Festival is held from 14th to 16th January at the Mukteshwar Temple in the state of A. Uttarakhand, B. Odisha, C. Madhya Pradesh, D. Himachal Pradesh. B. Odisha. Select from among the given options the autobiography of Milkha Singh. A. A Shot at History, B. The Race of My Life, C. The test of my life. D. One life is not enough. B. The race of my life.